Well, hello people. Today we're gonna talking about how to create checkbox group in Flutter. Okay, as you can see here, I already create file for checkbox group as a stateful widget, and there is a variable that I declare here. This is the list of checkbox model, and if you click this model, it will be referred to this. I create this checkbox model and the attribute for ID, name, and selected. So this is the attribute of the model. Okay, let's go back to here, and in here I set the value for each list. So there is a Monday, Tuesday, and this is the ID of checkbox, and for the default checkbox is false. So now let's do some code here to generate the list of checkbox. So we need to widget list view to generate automatic for this list of model. And let's try to do this list view as builder, and then let's item count. The item count will be taken from this length, and for builder contact, this is for index, and this will return. Okay, this list view will return the checkbox, so we need to add the widget of checkbox, and here I want to use the checkbox list style. Checkbox list style. Why I use this checkbox list style? Because in list style I can do more widget in here. So this title as a row, you can use row in here, children, and then we want to add text first. Text, let's take it from this, and we use index and then select the name. Okay, that's good. And the other widget that we want to use, for example, the icon. Okay, icons for maybe plus. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's just save. Right, the value. Okay, let's copy here. So now we already have a list of checkbox, and I think we need to restart here. Okay, as you can see here, the icon of this widget is showing to the next of the title, and if you notice this, the list of checkbox button, the position is on the right side, so I think we need to move to the left side. If you want to move to the left side in checkbox list tile, so we need to control infinity, so list tile infinity and leading, so that will be moved to the left. Okay, let's just save this again. Okay, as you can see here, it's already moved to the left, and I think we need to arrange this widget. Let's main. Okay, main axis to the space between. Okay, now it's look more cool. Now let's just try to check this one. Okay, I think okay, this doesn't work because we not put any logic over here. So let's do this value, and then in value we need to set the set stat, and then drop down index and selected is value. Okay, just save it and let's try this checkbox. Okay, this is work now, and when I try to uncheck this one, that's really good. And now we need to add another checkbox for toggle check all those checkbox. So let's just write this widget into the column, and don't forget to add this attribute string wrap to true. Then we just copy this one and paste over here and give a divider. Okay, so for the value of checkbox toggle, we need to declare new check all. So let's define new variable here, boolean as a false, and this tag is allow all. Let's just set stat for check all is a value, and we do looping for this list. Let's just element this, oops, so we set all value from this event. Okay, this is a toggle that we created here. When I'm trying to click this one, okay, that's work. So how about if I uncheck this one? This toggle should be unchecked because there is unchecked in this list, so we need to modify this logic on change over here. Let's just if value, and we declare final for check. So here we want to check every for element of it selected. Okay, so let's set check all as for check. So because this will be returned to boolean, so we just need to set to this variable. Okay, let's just save it, and what we got here, okay, that's good. So when I check all these checkbox, this still not checked, so we need to add logic here. If dot value okay, so I'm sorry, just doing this. Okay, let's just uncheck this one, check. Okay, that's good. So we don't need to check this one, we just modify like this. Okay, now it's work when I'm trying to check this toggle. And okay, uncheck it, uncheck and check. Okay, that's really cool. That's how to create the toggle and checkbox list in Flutter using checkbox list style. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. So please subscribe to support this channel.